Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change shock absorber on Toyota Corolla. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then loosen the lug nuts slightly while the car is still on the ground. Lift the car with a hydraulic jack and secure it on jack stands placed under the pinch welds. Remove the wheel to access the shock assembly and wear gloves and eye protection throughout the process. With the wheel removed, support the lower control arm with a secondary jack to prevent sudden drops. Loosen and remove the lower mounting bolt while stabilizing the shock, then remove the upper mount nuts and carefully extract the shock absorber. Inspect the mounting hardware and rubber insulators for wear and replace any rusted or damaged bolts or bushings. Keep parts organized and note which bolts go where for reassembly. Position the new shock absorber and align the upper mount first, then the lower mount while supporting the control arm. Insert mounting hardware and hand thread nuts and bolts before torquing to manufacturer specifications to avoid damaging rubber components. Reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle carefully, then torque the lug nuts in a crisscross pattern. Finally, test drive slowly and listen for noises. Rechecking torque.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.